morning, Kinder Crew. Happy Wednesday. Today we are in day 8 of our packet. Today, for my reading response, I was reading a book about books. Yes, I know, I was reading a book about books. And in this book, it was talking about a book about a giraffe. So, I drew my book and I wrote, the book was about giraffes. I learned new facts. Because my favorite part is that in the book of the book, it was telling me about giraffe facts. So that was my reading response for the day. We have a really cool handwriting for today. Our stop word is the, and we get to come up with a sentence. It's all about colors and different objects. So we have a dog that is brown, a pumpkin that is orange, a grass that is green, a flower that is pink, a sun that's a yellow, and an apple that's red. So we get to create our sentence. So if I was going to talk about a dog that's brown, what is a sentence using the word the? The brown is dog? No. The dog is brown? Yes. So we can write the dog is brown. And there's our sentence. The next one, pumpkin and orange. The orange is pumpkin. The pumpkin is bright orange. The pumpkin is not orange. We can get creative with our sentences. So we can add detail words to make our sentences even better. So, the pumpkin is bright orange. It's not just orange, but it's super duper bright. It's one of those perfect pumpkins. So you get to write your sentences. On the back, we have a word problem about dogs. Sam has 2 little dogs. Sam has 3 big dogs. How many dogs does Sam have in all? For my little dogs, I'm going to draw little rectangles representing my little dogs. Now remember, friends, you can choose to draw your dogs if you want to draw them. But for time, Miss Greer just does shapes. So Sam has 2 little dogs. And then next it said Sam has 3 big dogs. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw 1. 2, 3 big dogs. And now I need to write my equation. I have 1 part that is my little dogs, and I have 1 part that is my big dogs. How many little dogs do we have? 2. How many big dogs do we have? 3. Good job. You know what to do on the rest. On the backhand side, we are going to do some addition with some magical jelly beans. Now, the jelly beans are to help us if we need beans to count. So normally in the classroom, we would use Unifix cubes or our circle counters, but if we want to, we can cut out the jelly beans and use these to help us with our counting. If we don't need the jelly beans and we can just do it in our head or on our fingers, then we can do that. So you have lots of different choices. We're going to do all this beautiful addition to 10. So the first one, 3 plus 3. You might know it automatically in your head. You might choose to use your fingers. So let's see, 3, 4, 5, and then if I had another finger, I'd be holding up 6. Another way we can do it is doing dots. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then counting them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have lots of different ways that you can solve your addition problems. Last but not least, our word family for the day is op. OP says op. Say it with me, op. And let's say our words together. Ready? Mop, prop, top, hop, stop, pop. Ready? One more time. Say it quickly. Mop, hop, crop, stop, top, pop. Filling in those words and those beautiful rectangles, matching the pictures to the